red veins and broken capillaries on the face can make you uncomfortable and make you self-conscious, especially on your Zoom calls. Well, our next guest is going to show us how to vanish those veins for good, and I'm talking instantly. Sound too good to be true? Well, we're going to check it out. She's the owner of Hollywood Skincare Clinic, face of Jules. Jules, welcome to the show.
Hi, you guys. Thank you so much for having me. Such a pleasure.
Well, this sounds like such a great technology. Most of us have capillaries somewhere on our bodies we don't like. So, first of all, is this a new treatment?
So this is actually not a new treatment. It's been around for many years, but it is actually new to the U.S. So we are currently the only ones in LA that have this device. This is actually what's known as our red vein removal. So this is a non-invasive, state-of-the-art treatment that utilizes RF, which is known as radio frequency energy.
So many great uses for radio frequency. It seems like we come up with a new application every day. All right, I get it now. So let's get started. Explain to us what you're doing.
Sure. Okay. So all of the RF energy is essentially traveled through this little small but mighty pen, and it has a little bit of a probe at the very tip. So again, this isn't actually injecting his skin. There's no blood. There's no trauma. It's just going to rest on top of the epidermis. So he's all cleansed, all prepped, ready to go here. And basically what we're going to do is kind of turn him slightly. And again, we just apply a slight amount of pressure. And again, Danny, just to warn you, you're going to feel kind of like a pinprick sensation. Again, it does not hurt. It just feels almost like a hair being removed is how a lot of people explain the sensation. So we'll get right on into it. And that is how the magic is happening.
Are the results instant?
So yeah, I actually see this being removed right before my eyes. So it is a immediate thing, which is really exciting. It's fun for me.
And Jules, as we know that blood vessels come in all shapes and sizes, so this is specific to capillaries. Once you get into bigger veins, it's not going to work?
Right. It doesn't work on blue veins, but it works on all, spider veins. We can treat the legs as well. So it doesn't matter the size. It just can't be a blue vein.
All right, Jules, do you have some before and afters for us?
We do. So as you can see, that client was darker skin toned, and we can actually treat all ages, but we just do ask that you have a parental guardian, of course. And there's a select few that it's not really ideal for. So anyone who has epilepsy, anyone who has a nickel allergy, because there's actually 20% nickel in the probe, and anyone who, of course, is pregnant is not, it's not ethical, essentially.
Okay, well,
that's about it. Everyone else, it's
impressive instant results. Now, do you have to come back to maintain the result? Do they come back?
So no, once that vein is sealed with the RF energy, essentially, it is gone for good.
Jules, thank you so much for stopping by and showing this cool new technology.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
Thank you. Nice result.
Bye-bye.
For more information, go to our website at thedoctorstv.com